Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best portable clothes dryer that are available on the market.
I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have COSTWAY Portable Ventless Laundry Clothes Dryer. This is a brand new portable ventless folding clothes dryer which is using a warm air motor to gently dry your clothes, evens out creases and leaves your garments feeling fresh, clean and drier with high performance, makes ironing easier, minimizing the appearance of wrinkles on your clothes. Just simply hang the clothes inside and set the timer dial, and let gentle warm airwaves do the rest. Operate easily and energy efficient. It can hold up to 22 pounds of clothing and is easily packed away for compact storage. The special thing about this product is the safeguard of having no flame, which prevents any fire from happening. The time to heat starting from 30 up to 180 minutes. The machine also comes along with the cover bag, which protects your clothes from hitting the dust from outside and keep the clothes clean and temperate. What is even more interesting is a gift of the product itself that includes the hanger and brackets, which make it look like a tiny wardrobe for the user. This can be used everywhere due to its mini size and effortless setup. Moving on, at number 4, we have COSTWAY Clothes Dryer, COSTWAY Portable Clothes Dryer. The new generation of clothes dryers to help you solve all the dry clothes problem. The 3-tier folding portable drying machine. This is an amazing product in which was designed to take lead as the large capacity machine which can dry up to 15 kilograms of things. This product was designed with the 3 tiers that can be easily tucked and can be folded without needed to knock down while not using it. Your clothes will remain plain and smooth without any wrinkle because you can hang your clothes like it was hung in the wardrobe. The additional hanger is to serve for towels and socks. The special thing is that we can control the temperature from 50 to 70 degrees and automatically shut down when done. Further, COSTWAY will silently dry your clothes without causing any disturbance. There is also the wireless function attached on this, which includes the touch screen control and the remote, which make it easier for pregnant women and the elderly to use. At number 3, we have COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer. The weight of this clothes dryer is only 37.3 pounds, and the small size makes it portable. The COSTWAY Portable Clothe Dryer, which is known as the light tumble dryer, can be used in various moods of drying. This includes the hot, warm and cools with the minimum time of 0 minutes up to 200 minutes, yet will it last freshening by the cool air. This product is designed in a very thoughtful way, which does produce almost no sound that may cause disturbance to your sleep or other activities. It is made with stainless steel, which makes it last longer than we expect. Regardless of the design, it does not forget the efficient performance of this tiny tumble machine. With only 850 watt usage of power and weight of 37.3 pounds, it can handle around 10 pounds of laundry clothes and can even dry your clothes speedily as a large machine is capable of. At number 2, we have Panda PANSP21W 3200 RPM Portable Spin Dryer. With a spin speed of 3200 revolutions per minute, this gravity drain spin dryer from Panda is designed to remove as much excess moisture as possible from your laundry, thereby reducing drying times and costs and helping to prolong the life of your laundered items by removing more harmful mineral deposits and detergents than your washing machine can alone. They are easy to move and small enough to operate in a restricted space. This spin dryers remove excess moisture from your washing load in a speedy and efficient manner, leaving it with less residual water. It is very gentle on your clothes. Stainless steel drum to ensure long life. Completely safe with safety locking lid and stabilizing rubber feet. Model PANSP21W. Voltage frequency 110 volts to 120 volts, 60 Hz capacity, max 22 pounds, spin RMP 3200 power, 300 W. Stainless steel drum, safety locking lid, stabilizing rubber feet, dimension measuring 25.5 inch tall with a diameter of 13.5 inch, weight 26 pounds. Please acknowledge before purchasing, this is the spin dryer, not a heated dryer. It does not 100% dry the clothes. It does spin function, which the spin speed is ultra fast, 3,200 revolutions per minute. It gets washing slightly damp and saves line time. This is a laundry spin dryer for household use only. This machine was designed to process normal household quantities only. Not suitable for continuous operation or commercial use. It is for regular load only. Overloading will negatively impact wash performance. And finally, at number 1. Centern 2.65 Cu FT Compact Laundry Dryer. This design also looks classic. It is a solid drying machine in which the heat temperature comes in 5 moods ranging from 0 minutes up to 200 minutes and include hot, warm, cool, air dry and anti-wrinkle mood. This product's power usage up to 120 voltage and 60 Hz, which can be heated up to 140 degrees. In addition to its classic design, the machine causes only minimal disruption and could handle the clothes weight up to 8.8 pounds. Even though it was set to be seen as classic, but the quality of this machine isn't low at all. It was constructed as a standardized drying machine covered by the firm metal outside and within the stainless steel inside the drum. The wall mounting kit is also included in the package.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.